This video we will go from doing a raw data set like this, converting it into clean Excel. In this video, 7 steps are there. So let's get into the video. You can download this exact same Excel file in this video description for free. So over here you can see that we have the data set is just the row one basically, but before we make a change to it, we should probably save a copy. So you can either save a new Excel file or just save this sheet by clicking the Control key and just dragging that sheet, so you can have the two separate ones. Alright, now we are going to step 1 out of 7. Okay. First you can see the columns, just it's so dot and one stretch, then out of number looks okay, but if I close it down you get this sign over the same thing, but with rows. Rows are just too long like this, one right over there. So let's go ahead, refit this by just going to Control A. That's going to select the entire table for us, and then we will go over to the slide where in this format, and you can auto fit the row width and row column. The column width, now the shortcut for this just Alt plus H/O plus I, that's gone out of it, and the columns, and then Alt plus H/O A filter rows. Now you can see that we can read everything a lot better. Now that we can start to see the data set better, you notice that the client's names are very long. So let's suppose that we should like to shorten it such that we do not have anything with the parentheses. So for this, what we can do is column, you can just click up and over here, and then we go to the replace tool. So that's going to be over the slide under file and select, and just clicking on replace there. The shortcut for it is simply Control plus H, and so within it what we can want to find is anything within the parentheses, but what makes it hard here is just here something of different length. So what we can do is just to put the parenthesis name using this auto trick, and close parenthesis basically means that anything that within a parenthesis is going to remove. So replace with nothing, then we go and hit on replace all, hit OK there, and just close, and see that looking a lot better. We can double, then clicking here to resize, continue on with the client name, and let's suppose that we want to this be a lowercase, so they a bit easier to read. What we can do it first, and a new column, so we will go ahead and select the column D and just hit Control plus Shift plus, and now the new column for call this client again, and then the function that we are going to use lower, so equal lower, and it converts all the letters and lock it lowercase. So we are going to top there and want convert all these letters. So we just hit there. Now first one, and then we can double click here on the slide to just drag it down all the way to the bottom here. Now because we have the same column twist, we would just delete this one. So hitting Control minus, but the problem there is that it all breaks, and the reason for that is because it representing this column over here. So just we go need to paste these values instead of a formula as they are now. Control shift and down arrow, so we can control shift down to select all them. Control C, and then we are going to paste these values. So down over here you can see that we have a lot of different pasting features, and we want to paste it as one, right? Here now the shortcut there is alt HVV. This column, so control minus next up in the number of 4. You can see that we have the different contact, but the problem is there. They have some very odd spacing and something capitalized. Sometimes they are not. So let's go ahead and make that change. So we go ahead and insert new column here. So control space shift plus well, call this one contact again. And so first let's say we want to remove the spacing. We can simply use the trim function, hit the top key there, and we will just select this, and you can see that it removed all the spacing problem. And similarly we have what no equal problem proper. Hit the top key and there just select that, and what is this just only put a capital letter at the first letter each word. So we can now just merge these two together. So we are got properties, add the trim, hit the top key there. Then we need the close parenthesis for both, and just hit enter. Now you can see that it looks cleaned up, and we will just double click there to drag it down, and then again we need to paste it as value. So we will select the column by hitting Control plus and then Alt HGV. That's going to paste it as a value there. Now we can remove this column over there by hitting Control minus and hit IFERROR. Well, then step 7. Alright, now in the number 7, let's move on the next column, which is going to be payments on in the page, and you can see the blank cells now for this. It would be nice not have it blank and maybe writing something like a new, but suppose it is a very long data set, and so it's going to take a lot of time to go one by one. Instead, what we can do is select the whole table, so control plus here. Then under now we gone to the over the file and select over the cell, and within the we want to select all the blank cells. So we are going to over a blank, just hit OK, and notice there it selected the blank ones for us. Then we want to add the train, so we will go up over here and under the formula. Important that hit the change the 6 great now moving on with the 6. Over here under column you can notice that we have this formula, which is simply that profit divided by the revenue. The problem is down now here because we got the text to one side. It does not quite over, and it gives us skeleton error trying to work around that. We don't use the error formula. So right here at the first front gone type it error, hit the top key there, and error gets gone. Then the normal calculation which we will hit the command is now if there is error, we need to give it alternate result, which is our case is vegan, which we need to put it quotations because it's formula, so we can't put it in here, close parenthesis and shift enter, and then gone draw the down atom. Now we can see the sign changed to cross moving on it step 7, and now that's very happy with the value. Let's go ahead the format of header now rows or shift plus B, and we can also change the highlights color. Let's say we go for dark blue and we change the text for white. So we can change the header and finally text into 7 and 8 rigid to these grain lines. If you can sometimes the distraction track forward to view there and just click grain line to shortcut. Also press W plus